Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you saw in one of my previous videos, I misplaced my favorite knife somewhere. And so I went to the store to buy myself one of these. This is the Buck 110 folding hunter knife. So I have had my eye on this knife for a few years now, and when I got it out of the package, I was really impressed by it. So I'm going to do a little review for you here. Alright, so the Buck 110 folding knife has been on the shelves in stores since 1963. And when a product stays on the market for that long of a period, you know it's a good one. Most buck knives, such as this one, are still made right here in the USA in the Buck Knives Idaho plant. It comes in a nice leather carrying case too. All of you out there know how uncomfortable it can be when you sit down with a fixed blade knife on your belt. Not the case here. So when I took it out of that case, my first impression was, wow, that's nice and heavy. It weighs over 7 ounces, has traditional solid brass bolsters, and a diamond wood handle. It's a really pretty knife, guys. The blade is 3 3/4 inches long, and it has a lock back mechanism. Now this blade is the right size for everything I hunt. Upland game birds, waterfowl, and deer. And that makes this a nice all-around hunting knife for me to have. I really look forward to using it. So thanks for letting me share this with you today, guys. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and go check out some of the channels that I've listed below. Stay safe, keep your knife sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.